I was really considering adding IBM to my overall client portfolios. Take this lesson from me, okay? I've made this mistake before. In the past, whenever I am thinking about adding a new stock, it's one thing if they came out with earnings within a few weeks or a month. But if you're thinking about adding a new stock to your portfolio and you realize that their earnings and revenues, quarterly results are going to be reported in like a week or a couple of days, always wait. I would rather pay up $6 for a stock that I looked at because it tells me that things are in good shape, better shape than we thought. I feel more comfortable with that than buying a stock, obviously, that drops $6 the day after I bought it. I'm not talking about a stock that's like $3,000 a share like Amazon. $6 and that is nothing. But when you're talking 4.5% drop, IBM is now 4.5% down $6. You take a look at that, that's a crappy feeling. So take it from me. In my younger days, I wasn't as patient as I am now. That's what happens with experience, but you live and you learn.